In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the desktop app in ClickUp. To get started, sign into your ClickUp account and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your personal avatar. Go ahead and click on it to open your account menu. This menu gives you access to a variety of account-related options, and it's where you'll find a shortcut to the download page. Once the menu is open, click on Download ClickUp. This will take you to ClickUp's download page, where you can choose the version of the app that matches your device. If you're using a Windows computer, look for the option that says Download for Windows and click it. This will redirect you to the Microsoft Store, which is where the Windows version of the ClickUp Desktop app is downloaded. When the Microsoft Store page opens, click Download. Depending on your browser or store settings, the download may begin right away, or you may be asked to confirm the action. If that happens, simply continue with the download. Make sure to give it a moment to finish before moving on to the next part. After the installer has downloaded, open your Downloads folder and find the file named clickupinstaller.exe. Double-click the file, and when prompted, click Run to allow the installer to start. If your computer shows a security or permission message, that's normal for newly downloaded applications. Just review the prompt and continue if everything looks correct. The installer will then begin setting up ClickUp on your computer. This usually only takes a short time. During installation, it's a good idea not to close the window or shut down your computer, so the process can complete without interruption. Once the installation is finished, open the ClickUp Desktop app. From there, sign into your account to start using it. The desktop app can make it easier to access your workspace quickly, and many users prefer it for a more dedicated experience than working in a browser tab. If you want quicker access in the future, you can also pin the app to your taskbar or create a desktop shortcut after installation. That can save you time each time you need to open ClickUp. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the ClickUp Desktop app on Windows. Thanks for watching.